Hey guys, today we're going to be taking this car and making it into a better version of itself. Kind of beat up, but it's a classic Packard. Beautiful, beautiful car. So it's seen better days, and it hopefully will see better days again. So let's get started. Okay, went ahead and drilled it. Took it apart and stripped it. Got the windshield, the interior is part of the grill. The rest of this is all together. I like those wheels, so I may just hang on to those wheels. It's pretty cool inside. Okay, we'll go ahead and take this to the paint shop and be right back. We got it back from the paint shop. Looks pretty good. Put a decal on it. So now we'll just put it back together. Be right back. Alrighty. Put a little rag top on it. I don't know if I should have left the fenders black or not, but I thought I'd try the white, see what it looked like. If not, I'll change it back. It doesn't look good. Okay, let me go ahead and wrap this up. This is what we started with. And we finished with this. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Be sure to click the little bell. Appreciate any comments. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. And we'll catch you on the next custom. Have a great day.